Hey guys, it's Pamela here with Barrel Age Creations, and I wanted to give you a little glimpse into what we're doing here this weekend. I've already smoked some ribs for about 5.5 hours now. We're going on step 3 of the process, and I'm just getting ready to put on a little glaze. That's one of our personal favorites, and it's going to be our sweet heat combination. Now, if you're not familiar with what that is, it's actually what we call sweet heat because it's a gift set, and you're going to get 2 different glazes that you're going to mix together to make the perfect combination of sweet and spicy. So the first thing I did is I took a little bit of our bourbon barrel-aged maple syrup. I have some right here. And I'm gonna add in just a tiny bit of our whiskey barrel-aged sriracha. Now, I'm not an overly spicy person, and I've already put some pretty spicy dry rub on our ribs here. So I'm just gonna mix that together real quickly and make sure it's nice and combined. And then we're just gonna baste it over the top. Now, I did say that these already been cooking for about 5.5 hours. We're only going to put them in about another 30 minutes. So this is really just to give them a nice char and amp up that heat a little bit so it caramelizes on top. Now, if you're already done or you don't cook your ribs as long, maybe you cook them, boil them, or put them in the oven, you can always put this on right before you serve them. That's another great time to add this little bit of flavor and really lock it in, or it just gives a little bit of a wet sauce. Now that's super easy. I want to tell you, it makes an awesome gift for any of the guys in your lives, whether it's Father's Day, a boyfriend, husband, brother. They love this combination, and the best thing is they can use them separately, or they can make a little sweet and spicy combo. And we look forward to catching you next time.